sometimes the best way to get over an acute respiratory infection is to go on a hike. Just got off the bus. I think we're just having a short toilet break before we move off. Yeah, we're at Lambak, which is a double-headed mountain. It's about 500 meters high. Estimated hike time is about 6 hours.
The guy very cool. He used a tripod, then he put it down, then he walked out, he videoed himself. He like created his own journey.
We made it! Yay! Miss! There's still one more peak. The rest for... Huh? 3? 2? 1 more lah. Hello. Yeah, ma! Woohoo! Finally, I reached the top. What a nice view.
It's a sign.
Woohoo! 到了 Here. So yeah, that was the end of the hike. Overall, it went by quite uneventfully, and thankfully everyone was safe. It's quite a good experience, other than the fact that I felt a bit more sick after that and almost lost my voice. I was invited by people that I had just met at work, so it was very nice to just tag along on that trip. And there were also, I think most of the people there were strangers to me, so it was quite nice to have small interactions here and there. After the hike, we went for a zita dinner for the scrumptious spread. Before long, we were already on the coach on our way home. When I do this again, I'll see how. But it was quite a nice break from my usual weekend cardio training, which is usually a 10 to 12 km run. the social aspect of it was definitely quite nice as well. And now that I'm sick, I have time to edit this video. Yay! I don't know, do you like this kind of content? Maybe I'll do it a bit more consistently if I have the time. And I realized that these videos require some planning on my part as well. Well, hope you've enjoyed this. Until then, see ya.
Gives you venom. You make venom.
Hey, you NTU one ah?
No, I just have the shirt.